I think our clinic at Now Hear This, we really focus on patient-centered care. You know, a person can buy a hearing aid from anywhere or anyone, but it's really about the precision, those real ear measurements, and the compassion behind the person who's programming the hearing aid. Every decision we make at the clinic, we have the patient in mind. So even the paint on the walls, it's a light blue, very pretty color. We want those who walk in to feel at home and comfortable. At our clinic, we're always committed to learning, growing, so that we can provide the best care to all of our patients and everyone who comes through our doors. So last year in 2024, when Hurricane Helene happened, we had a lot of patients, even family, friends, and loved ones that were affected by this. So to give back to our community, we wanted to hold a clothes drive, and to see the amount of people that came together and patients who would come in dropping off winter jackets, gloves, mittens, hats. We even had one of our patients crochet 70 hats for children, all different sizes. So that was just amazing. We even received countless calls from people who had lost their hearing aids during the hurricane, or they were completely broken. So without hesitation, we were able to get them in a new pair of hearing aids at no cost, or repair the ones that were broken. So this was just a really special time at the clinic to see the whole community come together and help those who had lost everything. Obviously, I'm so excited that we've won 5 years in a row. If anything, it's really reassuring knowing that we're doing something right. We put so much, dedication and care into following audiology best practices. We perform real ear measurements on every hearing aid fitting to ensure that the patient can hear their best in all listening situations. I love that we're a small but mighty team. So when you combine all of our hard work and compassion in what we do, everything else just kind of falls into place. So I just feel really grateful and humbled to be here, and I can't wait to see what we do in the next 5, 10 plus years. So at Now Hear This, it's not a one-size-fits-all when we see a patient. So we really do customize the hearing aids based on the hearing loss, their listening needs, and their day-to-day life. I love audiology because you have to think outside of the box. As an audiologist, I do have to get creative. So I've drilled ventilation holes in hearing aids. I've crafted my own retention pieces and even customized certain ear molds to make sure they fit correctly in the ear canal. I consider myself not just an audiologist, but also a hearing coach. So I don't just fit someone with a hearing aid and then send them along their way. I'm always rooting for them, cheering for them from the sidelines. And we also go through oral rehabilitation together and exercises to help that individual hear in their own environment. And when someone is fit with a hearing aid, it is, just an aid to help them hear. Sometimes we have to take it a step further and pair it with an assistive listening device like a TV streamer or a mini microphone to really ensure that they can hear better in their own environments.